Hello student, good morning. Today we learn chapter non-verbal series. In this type of non-verbal test, two sets of figure poses the problem. The sets are called problem figure and answer figure. Each problem figure changes in design from the preceding one. The answer figure is set content for figure marked ABCD. You are required to choose the correct answer figure which would best continue the series. Okay, in this chapter we solve some questions. The question first, problem figure. In problem figure we see here uh, one lining in both side, and in second figure we see two lining in both side, and in next third figure here three lining, then in next figure here four lining is, so answer is D. Next question, question number 2. Option A, B, C, D. So we see in problem figure here one sign is here, then it move in clockwise direction from 1 2, then that is here. So sign is move in clockwise direction to position, and next in second to third this move in clockwise direction one position here, and next in third to fourth here this move in clockwise direction three position here 1 2 and 3. Then according to this here series is alternative 1 3 2 3 4 and 1 1. So next figure is this sign is move in clockwise and position of 1. So here answer is option A. Option A, B, C. In this problem figure, the dot is move in anti-clockwise direction. So we see here dot move in anti-clockwise direction half the distance. Next dot in second and third figure move in anti-clockwise direction and half, distance is 1. Next in third to fourth here distance is half and 1, so 1.5 distance covered. So the next is 2 distance covered by dot in anti-clockwise direction. So 1 and 2. So dot is here. So option D answer. Next question, question number 4. ये आंसर फिगर option A, B, C, D. Here in problem figure we see here a curve is in one figure, and in second figure curve move in anticlockwise and increase 1, and again in second to third curve move in clockwise and increase 1. So 3 curve are here, and according to this here curves move in clockwise. So curve's position is here and increase by 1, then 4 curves are here. So option C is correct answer. Next question, question number 5. Here answer figure. Option A, B, C, D. In problem figure we see here in first diagram there is a square, and in second diagram square divided into equal portion by horizontal line. Then in second to third the square is divided into two equal portion. Next in third to fourth there is a vertical line divide both the rectangles. So in next figure these figures are separated. So option B is correct answer. Next question, question number 6. Here problem figure. Option A, B, C, D. Here we see in problem figure first there is dot and a cross. The dot is inside of circle, and 1 to 2 dot is outside of circle, 2 to 3 inside of circle, 3 to 4 outside of circle. Then dot is in next figure is inside of circle. Then according to this answer is D or C or A. Next we see the cross position. Cross is move in anti-clockwise, and their position is first outside of circle, second inside of circle, third outside of circle, fourth inside of circle upside. Next next is outside of circle in this side. So outside of circle, in this side option A is here. So answer is option A. Okay student, thank you. We continue this chapter in next class.